Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a bit of work as we had to replace the water pump, which is located right here on this part of the machine. We replaced the water pump, tested the machine, made sure that it was running and it was not leaking and there was no any additional problems inside the machine. We then did a tune-up, replacing this brew unit. As you can see, this brew unit is not in the best condition. It's in really bad shape. We replaced the brew unit, deep clean everything inside, deep clean the mechanoval as well, replace the gasket of the mechanoval and replace the gasket of the mechanoval. We also descaled this machine and just give it a good clean. So yeah, starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this machine. I'm going to be using the medium settings for everything, the grinder as well as the amount of coffee we're going to be grinding. We also lubricated the transmission, give it a nice clean. As you can see, coffee comes out of the spouts with a nice steady stream, really good color too. See it, nice color, working great. Hot water working as great as well, nice steady stream. As you can see, machine is spinning correctly. Nice hot, good pressure. Working excellent. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica Access working once again. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.